Alright guys, today I'm gonna unbox and a quick review of Nest Cam Indoor 3-pack. It's bought through Amazon.com. 3-pack security cameras, Nest Indoor triple pack. Google sign right here. Plug in and go security. You're 24/7. Some more information of manufacturing here, and what they got: 24/7, 1080p HD, phone alerts, talk and listen, night vision, work with Google Assistant, of course, and that's pretty much it with the packaging. Let me open it up. Yeah, this is my I have previously 2 years ago I bought another Nest Cam which is indoor, which I use it for my indoor use. Now I decided to put one camera in each of my rooms because we're having a babysitter deal going on, so hopefully it helps. The camera is great, the software app is great, interface is good. Only drawback is if you want if you want to check the history of the video, you have to pay subscription fee for each camera. I already have a subscription for my first camera, and so yeah, here it is. Unboxing. Nicely set up. 3 cameras. Very good. Metal base, and what 1080p. I don't know how many megapixels is this, but there's some access code here. Nice looking cameras. The light is turned off. All look the same. Let's get this off. What's inside the box? Some booklet, and let's get started. Information, pretty easy, straightforward setup. Pretty much plug and play as long as you have the Nest app installed. Look at this, very nicely done. 3 sets of cables, USB and micro USB type. Okay, 3 sets. 3 chargers. It's heavy. Oh, I guess wall mount setup, which I'm not gonna use. Could be a good option, but I'm just gonna use it. Just place it on the shelf somewhere like this. It looks pretty good. And the camera has a USB port on the side to plug in. Pretty straightforward, guys, and it wasn't that expensive. Each camera comes around less than $100 if you buy all 3 of them together, and I'm gonna put them on each of my bedrooms all over the house and see how that goes. Okay, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.